Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing one clear PNG logo, sized about 200 to 300 pixels wide so it scales well. Next, open Outlook and go to File, Options, Mail, then Signatures. Create a new signature and choose HTML as the format because that preserves images and styling. Once done, click into the signature editor and position your cursor where the logo should appear. This first placement determines the basic flow of text and image, so make it deliberate. You now insert the logo using Insert Picture, so it is embedded rather than linked. Embedding avoids images breaking when recipients block external content. Then resize the image inline by dragging a corner or by right-clicking for exact pixel dimensions, making sure to preserve proportions. To lock layout, place the image and your contact block inside a single cell table. This keeps alignment consistent across mail clients and prevents line wrapping. Also add meaningful alt text for accessibility and fallback. You finish by assigning the new signature as the default for new messages and replies or forwards, then save and close the editor. Next, send tests to several accounts and a phone to verify how the logo and layout render. Different clients handle HTML differently, so check spacing and clicks. If the image doesn't show, make sure it's embedded, not a linked URL. Use a PNG, clear Outlook's cache, and confirm recipient settings, allow images. These fixes resolve most display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.